Yeah, how you going, guys? Here we are on the Bulimba job, and we're just welding off some of these. We've got lowered the front of the house. So the front of the house is now down on these stubs. We've double checked the heights. We're within 5 mil on the datum with the floor height. I think that's pretty good. And yeah, Frankie's just welding that post off there. And he's already done that one there. We got a few other gussets and stuff we're going to put in there yet, but that's coming later. We just got to get this down, make sure she's safe, can't go anywhere, and then we can we got to do the back stubs. So we got another 4 holes along the back that we got to fill with stub set and concrete. And as you see right here, this is the concrete we did the other day. Did Friday afternoon. We put these in. This one's got 4 bars in it, so they can do the footing. All the big ones have got 4 bars in. We've still got to top those up, but we got the bases in. I've still got to paint those, but we just wanted to get the bases in, and they're now full of water, so we've got to pump that out. That one's up at the right height, so we can, because we only had 2 meters, so we got to get we had to get the big ones done first, and then we topped up what we could. We got that one in completely. These 2 here need more concrete yet, and those 2, I think that one's right, yes, and that one over there needs more concrete. And yeah, as I said, we're welding these up, and of course once we're finished, there's another plate that's got to go up there. Yes, Frank? Huh? You right? Okay. Yeah, so we've got gussets to go in, which have got to strengthen these, stiffen these UBs. That's for the engineer to be happy. And we've got the same on the other side. We're going to do the same over the top of that post, either a plate on the back or a gusset on each side. That one over there, because of the position, we found out the position was 100 mil past the beam, so we just used the post as a gusset. We took them up there, and we can weld that off completely up the back. And we've got to put 2 gussets, of course, on the front one over there. And then, of course, run around all these other ones, little ones with gussets everywhere. All fun. Anything to keep the engineer happy, but they're all what has to be done anyway. That's why we save the gusset by putting the post on the back of it rather than the underside of it. Okay, it does a better job. It holds a full weld. It's 1 foot of weld, vertical weld, top both sides. We go underneath it on top, and then we got a little angle that goes underneath there too, a little 75 angle. And then on the back here, we're going to put a little jack stud, little stud that comes down with a top plate, which will then give it the gusset it needs for that beam there up into that one. So it'll take care of all that. Just little things we do that's a little better to make it stronger. And then we're going to go around, and the boys welded all these to hold it there in place. Now we're going to go around there and weld it completely off. So it'll take us a week to get around this job. There's a lot of feet in there. There's 1.5 foot, or it's 3, 6, 7, 800 mil of weld on each one of those. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 800 mil. That's a lot of welding. Luckily we've got the big, but we've got to get up there. Takes a lot of time because of the extra meterage we're out of the ground. Okay, we'll leave it at that. It's a rainy day. We're doing the best we can, as we have mud going everywhere. I've put a few tracks in to try and alleviate some of the water. But we've got quite a bit of pumping to do next time we start doing holes again. Alright, we'll leave that with you. Thank you very much for viewing. Please click on the like button, and please subscribe. Be very, very much appreciated as we try and build the channel. Okay, thanks for viewing. Thanks for coming along. Catch you again soon. See yous.